Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to swap trade on NoOnes. And it's quite simple because from here, if you go to our home screen, you will find here the dashboard and we want to swap trade. So what we're going to do is click here on swap. Then from here, you can fill in here the amount of Bitcoin or whatever. So let's say we have USDT right here and we want to immediately swap this to Bitcoin. So let's say we want 1000 USDT and we want immediately Bitcoin. What we will do is fill in 1000 euros and then we will get 0.01133 Bitcoin for that. And then from now, if you click here on swap and we do confirm, we just did a trade to swap or currency, and it failed because I don't have money on my account. But this is the way how you can swap trade with money on your account. So hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.